So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to use speech to text on the Notes app. So a couple different ways you can do this. So once you have your notes selected, select where you want to start doing it. You can go to the top left, press Edit, then scroll down to where it says Speech, and then you can press on Start Speaking. It'll then open up speech to text right there. You can also go ahead and right click it, scroll down to speech, and do the exact same thing. If that's not working for you guys, you can also go to dictation. So once again, go to edits, go all the way down to start dictation. It'll open up this screen right here where you can go ahead and record your audio, which will then type for you. And if it looks good, go ahead and press the microphone and it'll stop recording. So a few different methods for you guys, but that is how to use the speech to text feature here on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.